up, bitches from across the world? This is TWEISHA, the rich bitch. We're in this bitch.
I'm mad as skinny blood clot, Trinity, half Jamaica, whatever the bitch, whatever you is, whatever she is, me don't really give a fuck.
Pressure, me and tell us the girl regular.
Regular? I just regular.
Yes, regular. She shaped like jackfruit. Believe me. Anyway, Tisha, I'm on the way up for me. Tisha. Get Snapchat and me again at TWEISHA. Back at it again. Oh, that girl. Hey, look at miss.
Oh, hi.
Oh, they're here. I see us from downtown or Kushama.
Oh, no, not Stacey's. Kushama. From Downtown, the Orchid.
Kushama?
Yeah.
You look nice.
Oh, thank you. You look dazzling yourself.
Oh, what did you just say? That's like under your mama.
My mother? You're a fucking butu. That's what you are. You know that? You're a butu. Yes, I said it. Fucking cockroach.
A cockroach?
Yes, cockroach. You're the flying type.
Who the fuck is you? Hello, where's Prince? This bitch done lost our bumbo blood clot mine. You come on my doorstep and ask for my blood clot man there. Bitch, who is you? Hello, you gonna shut the fuck up or you gonna answer the blood clot question? Where Prince there? Suzan, come to tell him take a deep breath. What? Bitch! Watch your blood clot mouth, bitch! Watch your mouth! You make me do this! Yeah, you please! Control a little crying body, please, them! Control your please!
I want Suzan!
At TWEISHA. I start for some girl condition, you see them here shampoo. At Wangaro, at Galantem. Some girl not talk about them and about them not. Them a SMS and you a WhatsApp. Them a i5, you a Snapchat. Like a girl in her face if she not Snapchat. I should have me come in and take that. I wish girl smell like wet map. Some girl ugly and shape like whatnot. All them just a talk and a chat. Some girl nee it knock. Just like that. Bridges and short you have that lock. Some girl them can't wear that cause them body jack it too blah. Just like Dutch pot, Lord Jesus. You wanna my fault that. All them a talk me not sat. You a university them a GSAT.
I don't know. Gloria. Pretty bumble blood. Bitch, may I call you back?
Why? What's going on?
Bitch! You might get a one fuck, but don't test your luck. If you see me in the street, Gloria better duck or your blood clot face, bitch, me, I got chuck. Wait, what kind of name that, Gloria? Oh, Jesus, listen to the story. This horse blood prostitute text my man I love you, she cross the line. Tell the truth, this bitch me not for shoot.
Thou shall not kill.
Listen to me, Gloria. Suck Victoria. And pull out of me and put it in your mouth. Now my pussy juice, I drip down your throat. Bitch, bye you. You dirty stinking cranny by the blood clot, boy. All this, Gloria. She texts you. Suzan, I'm a 90-year-old granny this. She have surgery later upon her heart. I'm a text her and tell her I love her. Where you do? Where you send her? Say? Yo. I'm sorry. Nah, man, you be doing the most, son. Let me suck your dick. Come on, put your pants down, please. Nah, man, leave my pants, man. Fuck, man. Baby, I'm sorry. So apparently Prince blocked me on Instagram But me hear some post a picture with a maga skinny blood clot, Trinity half Jamaican, whatever the bitch, whatever you is, whatever she is, me not really give a fuck. I kiss her on Instagram. Bitch, don't feel special. You're just another nuts like the other bitches, like the rest of them. Me are the one and only me come and stay. Bitch, you is just for the time. Okay? So don't pass your place. Him don't tell me how much you pay for him post the picture on him wall. Alright? You feel like somebody right now they are Bahamas for vacation under the expense of Prince. Bitch, where you at? Which part you there on Instagram, that's it. $2 pussy. Don't get it twisted, girl. Do not get it blood clot twisted. Prince Bobo, you're black but me still love you. And Prince, you could do better than that. If you go cheat for me, that's you got to. Come on, Prince, come on. Look how my ear nice, look how my clothes nice, so you need to drop that. Drop it, Prince. Don't embarrass me like that.
TWEISHA. I know I'm back at it again. Some girl at Earth head out there. Whoa, one of my Brazilian drop off. Anyways, back at it. Dumb no stinker than farter. From Hurricane Matty past them don't take no bottom. I'm just expressing my feelings from my heart. My girl, me need you feel this so to the bottom. You a Benz, them girl and Nissan Sunny. You them lame, my girl, you funny. Them a bleach, them can't come out when it's sunny. Them man call them bitch, your man call you honey. Yeah. Your man a give you money. Them man give them nothing, not even body. Lord, some girl life funny. Yeah man, them life funny. Nissan Sunny. My Brazilian is real people. For technicals, whoa, stop it.
Me say after me the pass salt bitch with my bad bitches, them one pan the left and one pan the right, and me then make the camera the baddest bitch of them all. Anyways, me lie down pan the sun and one man I walk up towards me, one chambag man I try to get my number, I try to talk to me. Anyways, it look like him have little money and things, so you know me probably would have given the number and probably give him a quick pan the sun. But me could help but notice him have one little tighty whities on the front look like one big fat pussy, cause me not see nothing print out pan the left or pan the right. So me say, sir, you look like you have money, but me want to look a bit about your personality. When a dick get hard, it lean to the left, and him say no, so me look pan him so. It lean to the right, and him say no. So I start get worried. So I say it lean to the up, him say no. So I say when it get hard, where it do, him say it go straight. Me say my youth was straight I go. Where already can go. Move from in front of me if you can't touch one of my fallopian to them. Either the one pan the left or the one pan the right. Your stroke game now say no. You can't get my number. Bye. To the loop. So already tighty whities move.
TWEISHA the rich bitch in this bitch. I'm here. I'm gonna sit for this black Hennessy. That's my breakfast, guys. Maybe I'll drink tea, like Milo and little stuff. Stick to that. Anyways, I'm here to address a matter. Keisha. Shaped like Keisha, but shaped like laptop Keisha. I'ma need my money, Keisha. The money that I lent you to feed your hungry children, Keisha. I'ma need it. I hate being rich. People continuously ask me for money. Gosh. Oh, I'm so... Y'all may be asking why I'm blowing my nose, because I'm allergic to y'all broke bitches, that's why. Keisha, I need my money. I don't want to hurt you, Keisha. As you know, I'm the baddest Isha out there. There's no Aisha, no preacher, no teacher that is bad like TWEISHA. And Keisha, I need my shirt and my skirt. But when you return it, I don't want any dirt. Or you get hurt. Oh guys, I just got a 7. Don't ask where I bought it. Stick to your 4s and 4s, please. Like, Keisha, I need my money. Stop being broke, girl.
Mix up and blend that to blood clot. Instagram have a question for no. So if Cherry I fuck with John, right? And then Patricia just come to the picture and start fuck with John. And Cherry find out who the fuck Cherry fi vex with. No John, bitch don't come at me. Me will chop up your blood clot. Me no come at Patricia. Don't go at Patricia. She will chop up your blood clot. And in the first place, John tell me say him this single. John tell Patricia say him this single. Single bitch, go find out to John. Go talk to John. Ask John why am I this one your pussy. Ask John why I'm not claim your pussy. Ask John why him can't keep him dick in a one place. Ask him why I'm go to road and search for more. Search for more, why not satisfy. Don't come at me. Me and Pat, don't come at Pat. For all Pat, do you know John single? So bitch, go talk to John. Don't go at Pat. Cause Pat will fuck up your blood clots.
Hey bro, bitches from across the world, this is TWEISHA the rich bitch. We're in this bitch. I just came from the sandal store. I just bought some BT, I just bought some K. Now I have on the rose. Yeah, these are yard slippers though, because I prefer wear Gucci out, like, yes. Please don't ask where I got these, like, y'all can afford them, like, please don't stick to your slippers, girls. Yes, I'm gonna take these Balenciagas off, they're hurting my eyes. Like, I prefer Gucci, but the Gucci's on the 5th floor right now, so I'm gonna show you that later. I can't bother to take the elevator right now. Yes, girls, so, like, these are my white gold nose ring, like, y'all can't afford them, like, so please, I'm begging you, don't ask where I got these or how much I paid for these. Like, these two, these are my Plastiagos. They're from Italy. Yes, Italy, I'm not local. I'm foreign, like, everything I have on is foreign. These nails are foreign. I got them for, like, 2K each. You know, these are Brazilians, like real Brazilians, not like the plastics, no. TWEISHA! Hey, honey, get my name right. It's TWEISHA. Hey, someone get her out of this thing before I get her fired or something like that. Damn, Bustica. I'm feeling sorry for y'all bitches. Like, how do y'all do it? How do y'all stay broke?
Alright, baby. Love you.
No, I fuck up in blood clot. You know what? I record it and put it on Instagram.
Suzan!
Yes, me I record this blood clot and put it on Instagram so your bitch them can see when you get your ass. Who the fuck can talk to the phone? Susan, no! Susan, man! Susan! Who you there tell say you love them? Oh, you're there tell, looking at the phone. Looking at the phone. Prince, looking at the phone. Looking at... Mister, looking at the phone. Look! Hey, who you there tell say you love them? Who you there tell say you love them? Susan! Who you there tell?
Hey, bro, bitches from across the world, it's me again, Tweisha, the rich bitch in this bitch, and I'm just being myself. Rich. As clean as ice, as sharp as a sword, as rich as Tweisha. Just got some new crack rings. Yeah, and my new paperagos, Plastiagos, new edition. Can't afford them. Look at these new Bridgiagos. Also, it's foreign. I see y'all bitches out there, y'all broke bitches out there doing a mannequin challenge. That's what it's called, mannequin or something like that. Y'all bitches so broke. Be like me and do the mannequin challenge. Run the beat, peasants. All you Wi-Fi users out there.
That girl is a real lovely. Small world, all the friends know me. Young bull living like an old bee.
That's the mannequin challenge. It's rich. Tweisha mannequin challenge. Challenge yourself, bitches. Be rich like me, please. Like yesterday, I wanted to take a shit, so I flew straight to Germany to use Germany toilet.